Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel J3D Family. Today we are going to look at one tool used for video editing. Its name is HitFilm Express. This is one of the advertised as a free tool. Let us see how much they are giving in free versus how much it is costing us. We will be covering some basic features of this application, how to use and some drawbacks what I have seen. I was using Shotcut. I thought of giving it a try, whether this has any better improvements in the editing workflow. Before we go further, let me tell you, I don't like this product as a free version. So I'll be going back to Shotcut. First of all, let us start with the import. Importing is not easy. We cannot drag and drop the files. We had to click on this button. We can import media, image sequence, things like that. Once we have video, we can double click on the media and see the previews here. Preview has some flickering and some difficulties, but it's fine. Let me show the machine configuration. It is 4 CPU, 8 threads, 1.8 GHz base frequency, i7 8550U. So it is plenty RAM into this. This disk is SSD, pretty much good configuration for an entry level video editor. Please note this don't have any GPU even though it says a GPU 0. The GPU what you are seeing here is Intel integrated graphics, not a dedicated GPU. In the right side we can see the timeline. We can easily drag and drop the videos. This is normal as any application. Once we drag and drop, it will come in the timeline and we can add different tracks. In order to add a track, you have to right click on any of the existing track and insert a track, delete, rename, whatever, right? One advantage what I have seen is it is very easy to reduce the volume. White line you are seeing here is the volume. If you are coming from the Shotcut background, in Shotcut we have to add as a volume plugin and volume plugin has to reduce the volume. Here it is easy. We can just drag it down. That way it reduces the volume. Export also easy. The export button is near to the timeline. No need to go to the main menu. It's supporting MP4, which is fine. The main problem what I encountered is related to adding a text. So you can see one text I have added here, but this is nothing but a transparent PNG file put on top of the video. In a normal scenario, if you want to add a text, we select an video, then we go to effects, then there is a text effect. But the problem is like this is an add-on. The moment we click on the add-on, it will ask for the credit card. You can see that the starter is 9.99. I think if you want to use text with the HitFilm Express, we want to buy their starter edition. This concludes everything. The text is a very important feature when we do any video project. We need to embed the text. In this scenario, I was able to survive by creating a PNG using some different imaging tools. You can use Photoshop or you can use any free imaging editing software like GIMP or anything like that. But that takes extra time. We had to go to a different application and create our text in transparent background, then import back as an media here. For this project, I have used photopia.com, which is an web-based photo editor. It has almost all the features of Photoshop as you are seeing in the screen. Also, it supports layering. We can easily use this software to create simple, quick PNG files that can be embedded into the video project. This made me stay in Shotcut without going to HitFilm Express. Other problem is about the rendering time. The rendering time is really high. For example, this is a footage from the rendering. The video is about 4 minutes, but it took more than 34 minutes to complete 94%. Let us fast forward in favor of time. It's really slow compared to Shotcut rendering, but it is moving. After a long time, it completed in 36 minutes 47 seconds. Definitely it is slow. As you've seen, this is not a full-fledged video review of the HitFilm Express. Without the text editing feature, it is effectively paid software because text editing is very basic thing. I am going to stick with the Shotcut, which is giving almost many features in free, no in-application purchases. In case of any queries or suggestions about the videos, you can add into the comment box. Also, please subscribe if you like these kind of videos. and enable the bell button for notifications. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.